I got some more outside work I can get done today, so I'm going to take advantage of the sunny day. See, it's beautiful. I got my sled. Today we're going to be removing reminders. That is this fence. We have an electric fence we set up last year for some animals that Ashley really wanted, that we wanted, and we've since moved on from that, so it's time to take down the fence. It's no longer needed, and it's just getting old sitting out here not being used. If we take it down, it'll make it easier in the spring to start clearing out the brush in there. What are you guys doing in here? I want to show you guys something cool though. Look at this. We picked up some more OSB and a new window. And that's going to be the window for Belle's bedroom. And we also have a new window for the bathroom that I already brought in the house just because I don't know why I brought it in there. But we got both new windows, OSB. If we have a couple of nice days, I'll get out here and start doing some more outside work. Today's pretty nice, but not nice enough for that. Now we're not like big fans of electric fence. This was going to be a temporary fence anyway, so I don't mind taking it down. Ideally we'd put woven wire up, which I do like. So you can see I left the spools attached when I installed this, so now I'm going to be able to just easily roll this back up onto the spool. And these are just little buckets that I screw to the wall to keep those spools safe. Now if you guys are new to the channel, you might not know about this place. And you might not know that we had some animals, equines. We're not going to get into that whole story again. It was just something that, you know, Ashley wanted, and but after getting them, it just wasn't a good fit for us right now at this time in our life. So we just reevaluated, reprioritized, and decided that it was better to rehome them so we can focus on different things right now. We're hoping to get as much of the house wrapped up as we can during this cold weather. That's why we've been working so hard on the inside and already getting ready for the outside, because when spring comes and summer comes, our season is very short and we want to really take advantage of getting stuff done outside this year. Cleaning up the mess, cleaning up the brush, that kind of thing. Just making the property look nice. We're going to hope to get fencing up, but I don't know if we will. Look how pretty it is out here, especially today. We really love the land here. It's beautiful. I wish we had more time to use it. Winter just drags on. I got some work done in the house. Cleaned out all the grout lines on the tile. Cleaned up the kitchen, and actually, believe it or not, we're getting ready for a delivery of our new oven cabinet. Some of you guys might know that we ordered another cabinet, and just one, and I think we're going to be getting it soon, maybe within the next few days. Don't hold me to that though. That will be exciting, so I'm trying to get ready for that. Alright, so I got the first line down. I got two more to do. That was actually really slow, but not too bad. A little tiring on the twisting, but I'm going to keep working. I won't film this part because it's the same thing over and over. I'm going to try to get another strand done. Alright, I got two strands down. I'll tell you what, it's a lot easier and faster unrolling them than it is rolling them back up. It's not a hard job, but it's so slow. And you get a lot of fatigue in your arms because you start using muscles that you're not used to using just doing this with the spool. With that being said, I'm going to take a break. It's time to make food anyway, so I'll go in, but We only got one more strand to go. And at some point I'll buy a fence post puller and pull these fence posts out. But before I go in, I'll go ahead and bring you over and we'll do a quick chicken update. Chickens are doing good. As you can see, I have a path here for them. I actually snow blowed. Is that the word? Snow blew? Snow blowed? I took the snow blower in here, cleared some land for them so they could walk out easier.
Oh, you're gonna get that?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
Yeah.
Good job.
Yeah.
Okay, keep vacuuming the whole room.
Now a lot of you guys have been wanting to see Belle's art wall, and since this video is becoming kind of a vloggy video, I think it's a good time to show it. As you can see, she's been working hard on lots of cool dragons, doing a whole series of these. So I'll go through, show the old ones, and show some of the new stuff. You guys remember this one? And then she did this one. And this one, if I can get the light. Since then, she's done this one. This one's like a fox theme. As you can see, little foxes playing and doing all kinds of things. Really like the foxtail design in the dragon. She did this one. Kind of a cool one. This one. Flower. This kind of tropical theme one. A little bit of seaweed hanging out of its mouth. Really cool sunset, some birds, some dolphins. We got this snowy one, very cold. There is subtle color in there. If you look at the scales, kind of see those colors in there. That one. And this one, which is kind of cool, it's like in a cave. You can see kind of gem-like on the wings and on the head. And all kinds of cool stuff in the cave happening. And if you guys want to see what it looks like inside a dragon, here we go. Got a couple in here. I was just showing them all your drawings that you've been working on.
Mm-hmm.
Really cool. And she's actually working on another one still. There's another one in progress, right?
Mm-hmm.
Is it almost done?
Yeah, I just have to color it now.
Cool. Is there anything you want to say about your drawings?
They're really cool, I think, too.
What's your favorite one so far?
I don't know.
All of them?
I do like the jungle dragon.
Yeah. That's the drawing update from Belle. That's what she's been working on. Well guys, I think we're going to wrap it up. But before we go, wanted to show you something. Right there. We got our new oven cabinet. Yay. How's that feel?
Good.
You looking forward?
I hope it just works and everything is good.
We literally just got it. That's the reason I actually started snow blowing outside. This is the delivery I was waiting for. I wanted to make sure the truck could get in our driveway. So there was no excuses to not get this. This, I hope, goes together without problems. And
Yeah.
yeah, we'll just see. I'm not going to be doing that today, but
Next time.
Soon. And other than that, I got some work done outside, taking down some fencing. We still got to finish that up. We'll do that soon. And just getting done what we can in the house. I cleaned out the kitchen today and getting ready to lay more Deetra. I think I'm going to try to tackle that utility room soon. Mm-hmm. Our front entryway is getting pretty trashed because we come in with snow and stuff on our boots, and we just have plywood floors. I actually had down paper to protect the plywood, but the paper was getting wet and it was holding the dampness on the wood, and we were actually starting to get mold in our wood. So that's bad. So we took all the paper out, and we should have had probably a big mat. I don't even know. I don't know what we can do. The point is the wood is trashed up here from all the wet and the dirt coming in from our shoes. So I really want to get the back entryway tiled so that we have a place to come in and not ruin the floor. As it is, I'll probably have to replace that whole plywood right there in front of the door, which kind of stinks, but luckily it's not too expensive, and I'd rather replace it than to leave damaged, dirty wood under the tile.
Unless we could sand it.
Yeah, we'll see what we can do when we get there. But definitely want to start working on this back entry. I wanted to show you guys that I picked up this tool. This is a grout saw, I guess, and to clean out my mortar out of my grout lines. I've always used a screwdriver, and I usually do it really quickly. Like, we'll tile at night, and then the next morning I scrape out the mortar.
When it's still kind of soft.
Yeah, it's dry, but it's not super hard, and it pops out. Mm-hmm. This has sat for a couple days, and I just couldn't do it with a screwdriver. So I picked up this, and wow, what a difference. This tool has little embedded diamonds into the edge, and made my job so much easier. So I don't know why I've been so stubborn about buying this. The screwdriver works, but this works better.
Yeah, it all looks super clean.
Yeah. I don't think we have any more big updates right now. We appreciate you guys watching, and we should have another video coming soon. So until next time, take care.
Bye.